According to the Merck Manual of Diagnosis and Therapy, chronic health conditions impact 10 to 30% of children. This results in 10 to 20 million children and adolescents being impacted by chronic illness or disability. Furthermore, the national mental health crisis has created a surge in the amount of psychiatric illnesses, particularly impacting our youth. As essential oil lovers, we have seen how these amazing gifts from nature have been able to positively influence our physical, emotional, and mental health. But many wonder if these powerful plant secondary metabolites can also be as effective in our kids, and can they be used safely? The confusion about using essential oils with our littles often is highly publicized, and the claims usually err on the side of being extremely cautious or avoiding them altogether. Many of these statements are based solely on theory, in vitro studies in petri dishes, conjecture, scare tactics, and an absence of actual clinical data. At the same time, there does also exist some incredible resources that present a balanced approach on how and when to use essential oils in children. So, in the latest episode of the Essential Oil Revolution, we are going to set the record straight on how to use essential oils safely with our children. We have an incredible guest who is a go-to resource on essential oils in kids. She has firsthand experience using them and a variety of holistic methods with her own children, as well as within her integrative pediatric medical practice. We are blessed to have Dr. Elisa Song with us. She is prestigiously trained as an integrative pediatrician and a pediatric functional medicine expert. She has extensive experience in integrating the best of conventional medicine with evidence-based holistic treatments. These include herbal medicines, homeopathy, traditional Chinese medicine, flower essences, and of course, essential oils. Dr. Song is on a mission that is a true labor of love on how to help all children and parents reach their fullest potential and thrive. She is fierce, she is fun, she is exceptionally brilliant, and a calming influence to worried parents worldwide. During the show, we review some of the unfounded myths regarding essential oils and the safety and how to use them in children. We discuss the importance of supporting kids' vagus nerve and microbiome, which essential oils do, and how to apply essential oils on particular acupuncture points to ease anxious minds, enhance focus, reduce fevers, support immune health, and assist with nausea. If you have kids in your life, which we all do, you're going to want to listen to the full episode. So be sure you tune into your favorite podcast player and look up the Essential Oil Revolution, or go ahead and click on the link in the video description below. And when you do, if you could just leave a review and rating for our show, we would appreciate it. It helps get the word out, and it's a no-cost way to support the show and to ensure that we're still in alignment with what our listeners want to hear. So I hope you enjoy the